Hi. Now we are going to discuss the experiment 3 of Digital Principles and System Design Lab. Experiment 3 title is Design of Combination Circuits Using Truth Table. You know that combination circuit is a circuit whose value or whose output depends only on the present input. Okay. We can give many examples for that. Half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, decoder, everything, encoder, everything is coming under the umbrella of combinational circuits. Now we are going to design it using a truth table. As far as today's session concerned, we are going to take an example of an half adder and full subtractor we will take. Okay. They may ask any combination circuit to be designed. As far as today's session, we are going to take half adder and full subtractor. Now I am not going to going into the aim and apparatus required and all. I am directly coming into the experiment. Okay. First, using truth table. Now, first you need to know the truth table of an half adder. Now we are discussing the half adder. So first you have to start with the truth table, because the here the experiment is design of combination circuit using truth table. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0, carry is 0, 0 plus 1 is sum is 1, carry is 0, 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0, 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay, so now we have to find the expression for sum and carry. Sum. I have told you already in the theory session itself. While you are looking at the output column, you need to bother about the value of 1 or 1. You need not bother about the output value of 0. Okay. Bother about the value output value of 1, and you have to form the corresponding product term using the respective inputs. Okay. Here the output values are in two combinations, here and here. Okay. Form the sum of product terms using these inputs. So we have to get 1 here. Okay. So we have to form product. Product means AND term. So if you want to get 1, this 0 should be 1. So we need to complement it. So A dash B. Right? For this one, for this expression, we need to get output as 1. Okay, so here 1 is there, so we are going to retain as it is, but this 0 should be made as 1, so we need to complement the value of B. So A dash B, so now it is AB dash, which is nothing but A XOR B. Okay, now we look at the carry expression. Carry, only one value is 1 in the output, so the corresponding input is AB, so both values are 1, so we are going to write it as A into B, right? Okay, so apparatus equation you can clearly tell. Now we have found out the expression. Only we need an XR and IC. XR, what is the IC of XR? IC 7486. And another IC we require is AND, that is IC 7408. Draw the corresponding circuit for this. Okay, carry, right? Sorry, sum expression first. XR, I am giving the inputs A and B from the toggle switches into the pins, into the input pins of IC 7486, that is 1 and 2 are the input pins. Output pin is 3, so I am getting this. The output should be connected to what? 1 LED. That is, this is sum. This is sum output. The another output is carry. Carry should, we can take it from pin A. Okay, I am going to connect it to AND. Okay. So in AND pin, I am using the first two input pins. B, I am taking it from XOR gate. Right. That is connected to second input pin of AND, that is IC 7408. I am taking this output from the pin number 3 and connecting to LED, that is A into B. Here, so what I am going to do is, so if I am giving 0, 0, okay, I have connected, we have two outputs. I have connected two outputs to two LEDs, right? When I am giving the value of A and B, 0, 0 using my toggle input switches, both the outputs won't blow, right? When I am giving A as 0 and B as 1, then our output would glow as 1, 0. In one LED, that is some LED will glow, the carry LED will not glow. For the input 1, 0, and once again the sum LED will glow and the carry output LED won't glow. For 1, 1, some LED will be off, it will be in off position and carry LED would be glowing. Okay. So this is the idea. That is, you have to form as a single circuit and take both the outputs. If how many outputs are there, that corresponding all the outputs should be connected to the corresponding output LED. That provision is given in the all the digital trainers circuit. So using the different inputs, the LED, corresponding LEDs will glow or may not glow, right? So this is the experiment how we need to do the off adder. Now we will do the full subtractor. Okay. So full subtractor means how many inputs? Full subtractor, 3 inputs and 2 outputs, right? A, B, C. Then difference, borrow, right? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, sorry, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and then triple 1. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So difference is 0. Borrow is also 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is, so we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So we need to borrow it. So difference is 1 as well as borrow is also 1. Here 0 minus 1 is, so we need to take borrow, right? Okay. So and then from this, if we are selecting 1 minus 0, we will be getting 1. So we are taking borrow as well as we are finding the difference. Both the difference and borrow is 1, 1. Here 0 minus 1 is 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So difference is 0. Borrow has come, so it is 1. 1 minus 0 is 0. Sorry, 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So difference is 1. Borrow is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so difference is 0 as well as borrow is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0, difference is 0, borrow is also 0. Here 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1, difference is 1, 0 minus 1 means we will be taking a borrow now, so borrow is also 1. This is the truth table. Now we need to find the output expression for the difference and borrow. So it is a 8 variable, so we can go for an K-map. We can go for K-map. Wherever the simplification K-map is required, we need to make use of it. Okay. A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, for difference. Difference is, what is the expression for difference? Sigma m, so that it would be very easy. Sigma m, for what are all things, it is 1. 1, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4, 7, right? So 1, 2, 4 and then 7. So nothing can be paired. So everything we need to take it as a single expression. So what you will be getting? Diff equal to this value a dash A dash B dash C. For this one, A dash B C dash, right? For this one, A, this one, this for this one 0 0, which means B dash C dash. For this value A B C, right? A B C. So now we'll take a common here. A dash is common. So A dash into B dash C plus B C dash. So which is nothing but B XOR C. B dash C plus B C dash means B XOR C. Here A is common. What I am getting? B dash C dash plus B C. B dash C dash plus B C is nothing but B XOR C complement. B XOR C complement. Okay. Now you can see here it is also in the form of A dash B plus AB dash. In the place of B we have B XOR C, right? So it is in the form of A dash B plus AB dash. So we can write A XOR B. In place of B we have B XOR C. So the expression is, difference expression is A XOR B XOR C. Okay. Now we'll find the expression for borrow. What is borrow expression? You can remember easily the difference expression, that is XOR expression only. Now for borrow 1 2 3 7, 1 2 3 7, 1 2 3 7. So 1, I will write it here. We are going to find it for K map. One, 2, and then 3, right? 3, 7, right? Okay. So this one pair, and this is one pair, and this is one pair. Okay. Now we find the expression for borrow. It is very easy. Borrow, right? So what is this pair? Here we are getting A dash. The common bit is C. So A dash C. For this pair, here A dash is common. What will be getting? One bit 1 is common, that corresponds to B. So A dash B. For this value it is BC. So this is the expression for A dash C plus A dash B plus BC is the expression for borrow. Now we need to draw the corresponding circuit in the trainer kit using the respective ICs. Okay. For difference it is easy, right? For thing it is easy. B, we can give it in pin number 1, and in C we can give it in the pin number 2, that is input pins, and we are going to take the output from that pin. We have formed B XOR C here. Okay. Then one more exclusive OR gate we are going to use. We are going to connect this in pin number 6. A, we are going to connect it in pin number, sorry, it's not pin number 6. We are going to connect it in pin number 5. So in another IC 7486, not another IC, another set of XOR gate. Okay. 45 IC 7486. I am going to take the output from 6. I am going to connect this output to 1 LED. Okay. So here we have found that what? We have formed some difference expression, that is A XOR B XOR C, right? We have formed that. That is connected to 1 LED. Now we need to form this borrow expression. A dash. A dash means we need one NOT gate, that is we are going to take the value of A from the pin number 4 and we are going to connect the input pin of NOT gate, that is first input pin IC 7404. I am going to take this put A dash from input pin. Okay. Then I am going to combine with C value, right? This is A dash. C I am going to take it from pin number 2. I am going to give it as the input of AND gate using the pin number 1. So now I have formed it. I have formed A dash C, right? Okay, then we need to form A dash B, right? A dash B. I can take the A dash from the pin number 2 of IC 7404. Okay, it is IC 7402, it is IC 7408. Now I am going to take the value of A dash from pin number 2 of NOT gate. Okay, I am going to form another AND gate. I am connecting it to 4. Then I need to take the value of B. B I am going to take it from pin number 1 of XOR gate. I am going to connect it with 5th input of IC 7408. I am going to take this output from pin number 6. I have formed a value called as an A dash B, right? A dash B. And one more thing we need to form is BC, right? First we need to combine it with OR gate first, these two. IC 7432. You can form 2 by 2 inputs. You cannot connect 3 inputs at a time because these are the 2 input ICs all are. Okay. So first we need to connect it this one, this A dash C from the output of AND gate with one input of OR gate. The another product term from 6th pin. Now IC7408, it is connected to pin number 2 of IC7432, right? Then 3, this forms the value A dash C plus A dash B. One more product term is BC we need to form, right? B, I think BA we have taken from, we can take it from pin number 5 of IC7408, okay? C, did we use it? C we have used, yes, A dash C we have used. A dash C, yeah. So we can take it from the pin number 1, then we can connect it with the same IC, the another AND gate, 9th pin and 10th pin, okay? IC 7408. I'm taking the output from 8th pin, that this output should be connected to another RIC, right? Okay, so this output would be connected as an input to another OR gate, that is 5th input pin of IC7432. This output, that is A dash C plus A dash B, is connected from the pin number output pin 3 to input pin 4, right? So now we have come to an end of the expression. So now we have got the output from 6th pin, that is A dash C plus A dash B plus BC, right? So this output would be connected to one LED, this output would be connected to one LED, this output would be connected to one LED. We have already constructed the truth table. You have to provide the inputs correspondingly, and we need to verify the outputs against the truth table that we have designed. Okay, this is how you need to do the exercise and do the writing. I have purposefully avoided the AIM apparatus required procedure and all because we have already seen that, but it is mandatory for all the exercises. This is the sequence: AIM, apparatus required, procedure, pin diagram. If any, you have to draw the pin diagram, and then logical diagram with the specific pin numbers of respective ICs, and you have to mention the ICs in the logic circuit. Okay, then truth table, and then you need to end up with the result. Okay, thank you students.